Here we are going to start exercise 1.1 and question number 1 MCQs. So the question is, the solution of the equation 3x plus 2 is equal to 4 is A, B, C, D, E, right? You have to solve the equation. Whatever rule we have discussed in the last 6 lessons, we have to apply it here, and at the end we will find out which answer is correct. So the question is 3x plus 2 is equal to 4. We will write down here solution, right? So see, only we have 3x here. We do not have any x on the right hand side, and we have 4 on the right hand side. We will write down as it is, but this is positive 2, constant. This is not constant. We have a variable 3x, but this will move to the other side of the equation, which is called transpose. The sign will change, so it will be negative 2. So 3x will be equal to 4 minus 2, which is equal to 2. Now we have to find out the value of only x. We do not want anything with x. So first of all, we will see what is the relationship between 3 and x multiplication. If there is no sign between them, it means it is multiplication. So just divide with 3, but you have to divide on the other side of the equation as well. This 3 will cancel. X is equal to 2 over 3, right? So where is 2 over 3? A is minus 2 over 3. So this one, C is your answer in MCQs, right? This is the way, but the other way I will show you as well. 3x plus 2 is equal to 4. 3x, so see, this is positive 2. The opposite is negative 2. So if you want to do negative 2 here, same thing you have to do on the other side of the equation. 3x is equal to 2. Same thing. But you have to use this transpose method. Just take the constant to the one side of the equation and variable to the other side of the equation. If it's still not clear, you can ask me, and thanks for watching.